Hey guys, welcome back. I'm gonna go ahead and review my trades for the day and for the summary of the week. I'm gonna review the week, even though it was not a good week. It was not a terrible week, so that's where we need to keep ourselves in check. Like, yes, we can allow ourselves to lose, and because the nature of this business is risking money, it's inevitable that we will lose at some point. I am right now in a losing streak. I'm in a drawdown, but there's nothing that is not recoverable, and I think with hard work and consistency, I can get back from where I'm at, right? So let's get right into it. All right. For today's trades, I had one loser. Sorry, two losers, two break evens. Is not the second break even was painful because I was 2 to 1, and I was greedy. I just wanted to get 5, 6 to 1. That was my target. So instead of keep it simple, I just wanted to hit a home run, right? So instead of hitting a home run, I got a break even trade. So that's one thing about trading. Trading is 100% about you. You got nothing to do with the market. The market today is up. It was up 4%. Now it's up something like 3%. But regardless of what the market is doing, I had the opportunity to make money, right? Today I was stubborn. My market context in the morning um, was nothing that I could wait, or I had data to say, all right, this is happening. I'm gonna just short, right? The dollar was kind of bullish, the yen was very bearish, and the bonds were bearish. So um, under that scenario, anything can happen. Um, and then I guess the dollar dropped, and the markets were, going up big time, right? I've said it during the whole week. We were due for a retracement. A lot of people say we're in a bear market. Technically, we are in a bear market, at least in the NQ. But on the ES, we just hit minus 20% since all-time highs, and we started to go up. So when everybody is bearish, um, magically the markets usually turn bullish, right? But there is nothing like data driven, or it's just anecdata. Like when all the news, stream news media is bearish, um, the market just turn around, right? So I just want to show my first break even. Today I had this zone. Um, I got in here. I got in here confirmation. I hit 1.5 to 1. Then I got a break even. But I didn't have much support for the from the internals to tell me, okay, you gotta keep shorting, right? So the internals were pretty flat. The only thing I could have gotten from the internal is that the ADQD was very positive, and it stayed very positive till the retracement that we're having right now at 1:30 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, right? But for the rest of the day, it was ranging near the top. My entry here was not bad. It was timed correctly, right here in the tick chart. But nevertheless, it ended up paying zero. Now, I was more encouraged to take more trades because, like you guys know, I'm in a trader rehab. I lower my size tremendously, so I am risking a portion of what I was risking because I want to get my psychology in check and I don't want to destroy my bank account. My brokerage account is something that I do care about and I want to conserve that. And more importantly, I want to conserve I want to take care of my mental account. That's the first thing. And what is going to happen if I destroy my bank account or my brokerage account? My mental account is going to be damaged, right? So it's going to take me double time just to recover my mental account to later work on my bank account, right? So, all right, my second trade was this short. I kind of like rushed into it after the news report came, the consumer sentiment. I got in here, I never got 1-to-1, so I got off for a full loss. Here I had some indication of bearishness, and also here, but in reality, this was just a range, right? It was kind of like fake out to the downside. My third trade was another break even. I had a long-term supply here, and then it created this area, so I got in around here. I got 1-to-1 break even, and then it went like 2-to-1. But my plan was getting 4-to-1, right? So this one kind of hurt a little bit, right? Emotionally, I was attached to it. So remember, I am working hard to get more detached from what is going on in my bank account. I just want to treat every single trade like a part of the statistics, right? Because it's just one roll in the die. There's nothing we can predict for one single trade. It's just lottery. It's luck, right? One single trade is pure luck. Now, when we account for 1,000 trades, then yes, there you go. We have some statistic, right? And my last trade, I had a long-term. I guess where is it? Oh, this is the wrong picture. So I gotta go here. I just go do here. For my last trade, I had sorry, here. So I had this, right? I had a long-term supply, right? I got in limit here. It went up, stopped me out to the tick, right here, and then it went down for like probably 1-to-1. So I could have gotten break even, but more importantly, I say, all right, so what is wrong about this trade? It was more impulsive trade. It's not a revenge trade, and I didn't break technically any rule, but I was watching the ADQD. Even though it was trending down, it was still very positive and within the range. So it's a trade that I could have avoided, but like I've said before in this video, I'm not 100% in my mental state, so I'm working very hard to get back from it, right? Then I'll show you guys what my week looks like. I am minus 4R. Yeah, it's a bad week, and for the month I am minus 8R. And for those who don't know, my goal is per week 4R, right? So I had minus 4R last week, minus 4R this week, but it's nothing that is not recoverable. Like I can hit a 4R trade at any time. I will take a 4R trade at any time, and I will recover just a whole week of losers, right? So that is where you need to work harder. Like you need to work in managing your account, because if you destroy your account as a consequence, you'll be destroyed mentally. right? And that is a place that you don't want to be. You want to be in control of your trading, right? You can have bad weeks, bad days, even bad months, even bad quarters. Um, Professional traders have bad quarters, bad months, bad days, right? We just need to be consistent and keep working hard to learn from your losers and from your winners. To see, because one thing that always happens is that you're trading a system, right? But then your system stop working. And what you need to do, you need to adapt. What is the market doing, right? How do I get in? How do I adapt to this market? And the market has been very very volatile, right? Like that trade that stopped me out for a tick, and then it went 1 to 1. That I could have saved 1 hour, right? I don't want to think about that. I just want to think, how do I get better? Right? How do I get better, and how do I adapt to this market? Thank you for watching these videos, and please, I ask you to follow and give us a thumbs up. That helps us with the YouTube algo. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye now.
Hey everyone, if you want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe, and we will see you next week.